Hello, hello. Finally, I am back to painting after 2 years. Wow. The reason I haven't painted for 2 years is because, number one, I had been busy with my old car renovations. And number two, I spent a lot of time studying mathematics that I will integrate into my artwork later. Not this one. I will do that in the next painting. That's it. So now I'm getting started. I'm a little rusty. I'm just trying to get going. So, all right. Shoot. Either I lost some video clips or I didn't film all the way to the end of the painting. So that was last August, but I did finish the painting. Here it is. That's the one. Also, I did 3 other paintings in the year 2025 involving mathematics. You will see them sometime this week and in the next week. Now, I plan to paint a lot relating to STEM, which should be interesting to watch this year. Have a great new year.